Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss some of the very basic points of the chapter Cell Unit of Health and Diseases. And already we have covered the rest of the points and topics in detail in the various other videos. You can refer that. Here I am going to tell you some of the points that you may miss to remember, or you will consider this as unimportant one, but you may get a lot of multiple choice questions from this topic. So these are some of the general points which you have already read in your biochemistry. So I am going to just refresh this off. First, what I am going to discuss is the different types of collagen. Different types of collagen. Number 1, type 1, then type 2, type 3, type 4, type 6 and type 7 and type 9 together. So I am going to tell each type of collagen where they are found and any other characteristic points or extra points regarding that. Type 1 collagen, most abundant collagen present in skin, bone, tendons. Type 2, cartilage. Of course you will remember cartilage, but the question the examiner will ask you is vitreous humor. Vitreous humor, it's a Q here. Question: vitreous humor have type 2 collagen. Okay, how I used to remember? Vitreous is present in our eyes, so we have 2 eyes, so type 2 collagen. Then 3 is present in granulation tissue. Granulation, it's not granuloma, it is granulation tissue, wound healing, as well as reticulin fibers. And the question here is, in fetal tissues, what is the most predominant type of collagen? Answer is type 3. Type 4, only one answer, basement membrane. Basement membrane. Type 6, decimate membrane. A decimate membrane is a layer of cornea. Decimate membrane of cornea. And type 7 and 9, predominantly 9, we have facet. What is facet? Facet is present associated with which type of collagen? Suppose if the option have both 7 and 9, you can mark both A and B. If it is 7 and 9, or else you can, if both 7 and 9 is there, and the best option you can go for is 9. Facet. What is facet? Fibril associated collagen with interrupted triple helix, already discussed. Fine? Yes. Okay, so that's it. So that finishes types of collagen. Once that is done, let us discuss about glycoproteins. Glycoproteins. So glycoproteins are the molecules, mainly they help in cell-to-cell interaction. Cell-to-cell interaction. Fine? Yes. So we have 3 types mainly. A, fibronectin. Fibronectin. Okay? Fibronectin. Fibronectin, and some of the points. This is the major component of extracellular matrix, ECM. They are synthesized by macrophages and fibroblast. Fine. Then they promote wound healing. B, laminin. First MCQ. This is a major component of. This is the major component of extracellular matrix. In laminin, it is the most abundant glycoprotein. I am writing GP in BM, basement membrane. This is a straight away MCQ question, straight away 6er question it is. You can't miss it. You can't miss this question. Most abundant glycoprotein in basement membrane. It's a straight one-liner. Answer is laminin. Answer is laminin. Fine? Yes. Then C, we have integrins. Okay, and they are actually the CAM, cell adhesion molecules. So what they will do? They mainly helps in adhesion. Integrins are also mediating what in inflammation? Platelet aggregation, adhesion, and transmigration of WBCs, leukocytes, inflammation. So integrins role in acute inflammation. Okay, I hope that is clear. Fine. Then some extra points, basic points in collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. Collagen has 3 important amino acids. What are they? Glycine, proline, hydroxyproline. Okay, yes. We have 2 major classification of collagen. One is called as fibrillar collagen. Another one is called as non-fibrillar collagen. Just you should know what are the names, nothing more in detail. 1, 2, 3, 5 are fibrillar, whereas 4, 7, 9. 9, 7 I have told you, facet. 9, 7, facet. Okay, just remember this. Then some other important points I am going to write here. Okay, regarding the epidermal growth factor, receptors and all those. Fine, I am writing it here in a separate table. Okay, that is HGF, hepatocyte growth factor, also called as scatter factor. Fine. Then RTK, receptor tyrosine kinase. Examples are EGFR and VEGF. They are tyrosine kinase. Then we have serine or threonine kinase. Just example I am writing TGF beta. This has been a question in AIMS. Serine or threonine kinase receptor. Example TGF beta. Then guanylyl cyclase. We have nitric oxide and ANP, atrial natriuretic peptide. Fine? Yes. And some group of disorders associated with tyrosine kinase mutation. I am writing RTK, receptor tyrosine kinase mutations. What are the associated diseases? Cancers, neurodegeneration, achondroplasia, and atherosclerosis. Okay, these are the various conditions associated with receptor tyrosine kinase mutation. So I think with that some of the remaining or the points that you may miss during your reading of chapter 1, okay, that I have covered. And last but not the least, a word about potocytosis. Okay, potocytosis. What is photocytosis? Photocytosis. Photocytosis. It is a form of receptor-mediated endocytosis. This is the question. It is a type of receptor-mediated endocytosis. Okay. Rest of all those I have already discussed in the Robbins chapter module. This is a question. It's a receptor-mediated endocytosis. And the name of the proteins are caveolae. They are caveolae mediated. They are caveolae mediated. Okay. So with that, we have come to the end of this. Thank you.